A microchip company has two machines that produces the chip. Machine 1 produces 65% of the chip. So we have machine 1, we'll call M1, and it produces 65% of total chips. So it is obvious that other machine will produce remaining amount of chips, that is 35%. Now machine 1 produces 65% of the chips, but 5% of its chips are defective. So 5% chips from total chips that machine 1 produces are defective. So 95% are okay, but 5% is defective. So we will write defective as cross sign. It is defective. Machine 2 produces 35% of the chips and 15% of its chips are defective. So chips that are coming from machine 1, machine 2, but out of total chips 15% are defective. A chip is selected at random and found to be defective. Now this is total amount of defective chips, and one chips is picked from this total defective chips, and we have to find what is the probability that it came from machine 1. So these are total amount of defective chips that are produced by both the machines, and we have picked one defective chips from this total amount of chips, and we have to find what is the probability that this particular chip is came from machine 1. So in denominator we will write total ways through which a chip can be defective, and in numerator we will write total ways a chip that is defective came from machine 1. So how many ways a chip can be defective? So let us say it has come from machine 1. So now the probability that chip is produced by machine 1 is 0.65, and probability that chip is produced by machine 2 is 0.35. Now probability that chips that is produced by machine 1 is defective is 0.05. Similarly, chips that came from machine 2 is defective has probability 0.15. It is 15% chance that is chips is defective and it is came from machine 2. So how many ways chips that we pick from this combination, from this total chips, can be a defective? So it might have come from machine 1 or it might have come from machine 2. So now we will multiply these two probabilities. Probability that it produced by machine 1 and it is defective, it is 0.05, plus probability that is chips that picked chip is manufactured by machine 2 is 0.35, and it is defective, it is 0.15. So these are the total ways through which this chip is defective. But how many ways it is possible that it is came from this machine 1? So machine 1 has 0.65% chance of producing chips, and out of these chips it is 0.05 probability that it is defective. So if you calculate this expression, you will get your probability as 13/34.